We are looking at how to pronounce the different forms of the verb to drive. How do you say those different words differently? So the verb itself is said drive, as in I drive a beautiful car. Drive. Now, the past tense, the preterite, is said as drove. It's in the past. I drove a Lamborghini the other day. I drove to the supermarket in the past. Now, the past participle, the bottom word here is said as driven. I have driven a yellow car recently. Driven. It was driven by passion. Drive, drove, driven. And now you know. I hope this video was useful. Let me know in the comments, like and subscribe if you found it indeed useful. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here on how to pronounce more interesting vocabulary in English. Thanks for watching.